Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my life on a hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today my husband and I will be making Belizean Panades for dinner and a little bit of onion sauce on top. And it's just our version. You do it how you may and how you do. So, but instead of canned tuna, we have the mahi fish, as my husband doesn't like canned tuna. And so I will go ahead and we clean all our meat with lemon, lime, and vinegar, definitely at least one of them, and soak them in and wash them off. Wash it off and then put more water on it again and wash it off. Make sure you get the vinegar off. Then I'll put a little bit of salt because fish already have come built in with salt, so I try to stay away of salt as much as possible and still enjoy food. So add my black pepper, and I try to hide turmeric and everything that I do so the family don't see it. And I will also use our Belizean red Ricardo, the powder. I love the powder. I'm never going back to that block. So also I end up seasoning everything, and I went ahead and put it on my countertop grill just to cook it enough so that I could go ahead and blend it. I went ahead and flipped it on the other side and cover the top so it doesn't make a mess. So here it is complete, and we're going to put that aside for now before I blend it. So sorry about this. My husband went ahead and threw away the package of the masa that we used, and so I had to hurry, grab it, and take a quick picture to show you. And so he did the same mix with the ricotta, a little bit of salt and black pepper, and he went ahead and seasoned the masa. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend the fish and my Ninja food processor. I love this, guys. I use this for everything. Like today I'm gonna make some, use this fish right here that's left over, and I'll be making meatballs, and I'll be using organic oil for that. So that's the fish blended, and that's the masa. It's more red for whatever reason the camera doesn't pick it up. We had leftover refried beans. I have a video on that as well. Check that out, how we do refried beans, so you don't have to use the canned stuff. And my husband went ahead and used the masa. We started out with the wax paper, and then he ended up cutting the Ziploc paper. Those are way better than the wax paper. And he put a little bit of fish, and we also did fish and beans panades. So he went in, and this is why we end up changing to the Ziploc plastic instead of the wax paper. We did use the wax paper though, just to put when he's done folding them, putting them on the counter while I get the oil and everything ready. So we did some fish, and we did some beans. Not a lot of beans because we eat beans that weekend normally on the weekends we have beans for breakfast. So we wanted to have some more for breakfast that morning, so he only did a little bit. Both boys preferred the beans, and my husband and I prefer the beans, but the fish was fine too, so I left the beans for the boys. And beans for the boys, and my husband and I ate the fish. So when it comes to the sauce, you guys, I see people do cabbage, habanero pepper, and onion. I didn't have any cabbage, and my husband's okay without it, so I just blended the habanero pepper and the onion. So you can chop it up fine. I cannot and will not touch habanero pepper ever again in life, so I went ahead and blended it. So for some people it might be too mushy. It's up to you. We were okay with it. It still did the job. So here I am frying everything, and maybe total of 5 minutes on both sides, and here I am blending the sauce. This is what was left over, and I took the pepper from a sauce we had made, an onion sauce, and I went ahead and blended in my Ninja, and you will see how it comes out. The consistency of it, see, it's a little bit, so it's up to you if you like it or don't like that, or if not, just chop it up, but I'm not chopping anything up. So here it is. I just kind of spread the sauce on top because it was really spicy for me. Not for my husband, not for my little one, but anyways, that's our Belizean Panades. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please share and enjoy, and have a wonderful day. Stay safe from this Rona. That's the beans, of course. I bit it to show you, and this will be the fish. Oh, it was kind of hot. It literally just got off the stove, but I was hungry and I wanted to hurry up and do this video, and that's the fish inside. So hope you enjoy. Take care, be safe, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I do lots of stuff, crazy stuff.